lesson is going to kind of go, we recorded it. So today we're going to talk about what do we know. We're just going to throw out all this information about what do I know about fiction stories so far. So any of you guys that are on right now, why don't you go ahead and tell us what do you know about fiction? Anything you can think of. Just start spurting it out. Go ahead, Kamors.
Fiction is a not real book.
Okay, it's not real. Good. What else do we know about fiction books? Who else wants to share?
It has lead characters.
Oh, it has characters. Yeah, for sure. Okay, what else do we know? Anaya?
It's like a fantasy.
Oh, sometimes it's a fantasy story. Good. What else do we know?
That a fairy tales fiction.
That what?
It's sometimes fairy tales fiction.
Hey, Landon, is that your brother and sister in the background? I was going to have you mute yourself for a second. What else do we know? We have characters. Fiction means it's not real. It might be a fantasy. What else? I know you know some stuff. Dig it out. Dig it out. What about the setting? Does it have different settings?
Yeah, like it has fiction settings and not real settings.
But sometimes is it real? Sometimes the settings isn't real. So we have different settings. Anything else you can think about with fiction? What about a problem? Does it sometimes have a problem and a solution in a fiction story? The characters sometimes, guys, I might have you all mute yourself for a second. Landon, or did y'all mute yourself? Landon, I need you to mute yourself. There you go. Okay. So, in a fiction story, we usually have problems, right? There's usually a problem, and somewhere in the story, they fix that problem. Somehow, they do that. Sometimes, okay, so we have a problem, we have characters, it means it's not real. There's usually a setting. It could be a fantasy story. Can you think of anything else you would want to share?
We usually have a solution to their problems.
Oh, yeah. Sometimes there's a solution. Good. Sometimes fiction stories teach us a lesson. They teach us a lesson on how to love others or how to act, or so sometimes we learn a lesson. So this, as you can tell, our whole next unit is going to be about fiction and all the things that go along with a fiction story. So today, I want to thank you for being my helpers and helping me create my lesson in this chart. And this will be our learning video for tomorrow. All right?
Okay.